Good morning. This is Tim Barnby, the No Nonsense Trader. This morning I want to talk to you a little bit about how I use the RSI indicator. The RSI indicator is a great tool for determining which simple moving average might hold price, or might not hold price, depending on where it's at. What you have here is the cable 1 hour chart, and you can see that I have a 100 SMA and I have a 200 SMA. On this chart, and I have some vertical lines here. At this vertical line, you can see that price is no longer honoring the 100 SMA, and it has started to actually honor the 200 SMA. This is a sign that the trend probably isn't quite as strong as it was back here. And if we move back even more, we see that between these two lines, price didn't even get to the 100. So, the 100 would have been a great place for a stop here. But how do we know? Well, if I go to the daily here, you'll see that I actually have an RSI indicator. And here are the vertical lines. Now take a look here. During the time when the 100 wasn't even being touched, the RSI was way over 60. Okay? And then it's down here, it's over 60. You can see that this is the time period when the 100 was honored. And then after the line right here, where we were actually at the 200 SMA, you can see that RSI has dropped down to the 60 and actually started going down below it. So this is just a very simple way of determining which SMA you might want to use for your trading. If nothing else, it helps you determine where you might put a stop loss or which SMA you might even want to have on your screen at the time. There are other levels that you can use for different time frames and different SMAs, but this is one of my favorites. Very simple. It takes me a few seconds to really determine which SMA I might even be interested in looking at, especially if I have a confluence where I have an SMA that happens to be on a significant support line. And that's it, and I hope to see you all on the Market Mover Edge. Thank you.